How to build an outdoor barbecue island. Building an island for your outdoor barbecue grill is a do-it-yourself project that doesn't have to cost a lot, and it doesn't take more than basic handyman skills. You can create an island for your barbecue to rest on a hard surface that will make a stable base for cooking and give your grill a permanent home in your backyard. Things you'll need: UV stabilized patio paver blocks, 16" by 16" by 1" thick. Rubber mallet. Decide where to locate your barbecue island. Choose a place free from overhanging tree branches, to assure safe grilling. Also be certain there is at least 6 feet around the circumference of the area free of trees, shrubs, flowers and structures. Measure the outside dimensions of your barbecue. Using these measurements, plot how large you'd like your barbecue island onto graph paper, using 2 by 3 graph blocks or 4 square per square foot. Determine the number of 16" by 16" patio blocks you'll need for the space you've planned by grouping the graph blocks into 3 by 3 blocks or 9 square and then counting them. This is the number of 16" by 16" patio blocks you'll need for the space. Lay the patio blocks onto the grass area where you wish the island to be. The blocks have teeth that grab into the grass or dirt. Begin in a corner and work in sections. Place each patio block tightly up next to each successive block. Tap each block with a rubber mallet until it grabs into the grass or dirt. Tips: warnings. You can also construct your barbecue island using concrete pavers or bricks, but you should first remove grass, level the surface, lay a layer of plastic, then sand and level again before laying the pavers or bricks. Then, brush sand or dry concrete between the cracks and mist with water. Sweep the surface.